Having trouble adding, updating, or using a payment method on booking.com? In this video, I will show you how to fix payment method on booking.com app in an easy way. The first thing you have to do is to go to booking.com. Then here in this page, you will move to this sign of your account, so click on your account here. After that, in this list of your account, go to payment methods, as you see, and here in this page you will find add card. Click on add card, and then here you can add your card holder's name, then card number, and after that expiry date, and then you click on save card. So this is how it works. If you're enjoying watching this video and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to press the bell icon.